morning. This is Tesla coil, introduced in 1891 by Nikola Tesla. In this, the electricity is transferred wirelessly. It contains two coils, primary coil and secondary coil. The electricity passes through the primary coil into the secondary coil, and then the magnetic field creates around it, and then the object will be reach towards the object will glow.
As you can see here, this coil generates a magnetic field, and this coil catches the magnetic field and convert it into electricity. As this, you can see here that this coil will glow without any wire. This can prevent also wastage of wire also.
And this
and here
there is a homemade example.
There is an example of this.
In the erection, inside of the erection, the same coil is there.
Change. It is also glowing. Thank you, sir. So here's a presentation of that. Thank you.
We had gotten great opportunity to make this economic world, which includes all the economic activities. Here my companions are.
I, Ashita Trivedi.
And I, Aditi from class 11B.
So we had made an economic world including all the economic activities which is used to satisfy our daily basic requirements. So here first one is production. Production is used by a farmer or a labor. Farmers use production for producing goods, and in factories it is used by laborers to produce processed goods.
Here in the second stage of economic, there is transportation and warehousing. Transportation is used for transferring the goods and produced by the factories to the markets. Here and the warehousing is used for storing the goods and materials.
And here's the consumption. And the last stage of consumption, the good will come from warehouse to retail shop, and from where we purchase, and the use of goods and services are used in our daily basis.
That's how we complete all the economic activities in this economic world. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. We made this project to explain the concept of trigonometry through this trigonometry part. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurements and angles of triangle with sides and hypotenuse. It is discovered by Hipparchus in 140 BC. Trigonometry comes from the two Greek words trigon and metron. Trigon means triangle and metron means measurements. As you can see the various elements in this model, the first one is the tower, which shows the reciprocal identities such as sine theta equals to 1 by cosec theta. Then comes the giant wheel, which shows the different values of some specific angles. For example, sine theta equals to sine 0 equals to 0, then cos 0 equals to 1. Then comes the slide, which shows the trigonometric ratio such as sine theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And this is the hexagon, which shows the different identities used in a trigonometry while solving the problems. This represents Pythagoras theorem. The triangle in the between is a right angle triangle, and base it is hypotenuse with 5 units, base is 4 units, and perpendicular is 3 units. As the Pythagoras theorem states that perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square, and we can have the proof of this, that a square, which is 3 units, b square
square which is 4 units and c square which is 5 units. So 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16, so which is come 25. And there is another way to represent Pythagoras theorem is through this lamppost and thread. There is an angle theta. Suppose there is an angle theta between this scale and thread, and which will be, it is perpendicular, it is base and it is hypotenuse. We will find the sides of the measurements of the sides of the and there is an angle of elevation and angle of depression slide which will change simultaneously as we move. Thank you for listening us so patiently.